Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to insert the pictures in Microsoft Excel. Guys, it's one of the easiest thing that we can do in Excel. So to do this, first click on Insert and then click on this Pictures. After that, this box will appear where you have to select the picture that your file contains. I'll just select one of those. Select it and press OK or Insert. Guys, you are free to place the pictures by just selecting and dragging where you want to place it. You can rotate from here or you can change the size. Also, when you select the picture, guys, the new picture tool tab will be created where you can format the picture wherever you want. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.